Standing poses are where a session can really easily fall apart. So I'm going to show you an adjustment you can make as a photographer to ensure that poses don't feel stiff or uncomfortable. And then at the end, I'm going to tell you something that your client can also adjust to help with that. So let's jump right in. So one of the reasons that standing poses are difficult is because we don't have anything to really engage with. There's no furniture to move on or anything like that. We just have to work with the body. And when someone shows up who's a client, they're probably just going to stand like this, and that is not very engaging. So right off the bat, the adjustment that I want you to make, instead of memorizing poses or thinking like, this is exactly how I need them to stand, boo, 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 I want you to think about what shapes can we make with their body. So starting with the legs, and I'm sorry I'm so far away from the camera, but I really want you to see head to toe. Starting with their legs, I'd probably have a client put all of their weight on one side and then pop up onto one toe so that we can make a shape with this leg. Now they can maybe bring it out to the side and we get a triangle. Maybe we do a little crisscross action, I have to go to the bathroom pose, as I like to call it, and we get a triangle right here because the knees are stacked. Maybe they're going to bring one foot over here. Maybe we switch it up. We bring the other leg out. We bring it forward. We bring it to the side. I'm just looking for shapes in their legs. And the same is going to go for their arms. So if I have them in this pose, maybe we're going to bring hands to hips, actually right where the rib cage ends. That's what I like to look for. And we make triangles with their elbows. We go into the hair. I have them do like a shampoo action. They're going to bring their elbows to the side. Got some nice chicken wing triangles going on. Even if they bring their hands up here, we still have a shape. Even up here, I've almost made like a square. Do you see it? So that's the kind of stuff that we're looking for. And even in areas where we can't make an exact shape, if I have them bend their neck or move their shoulders, do you see how the shape changes a little bit? Our angles change. We've got an acute angle over here. Like, that's something that's a little bit interesting than just this. So that's what I want you looking for. If we're doing more like masculine poses, we still want triangles. I can have them bring feet together like this. We've got a bend in this knee, and their feet are now stacked in a way that's making a triangle. Maybe I have them bring it out to the side and they bring their weight back and we get a shape that way. So whether you're doing feminine or masculine poses, I would really look for those angles. With a more feminine pose, I'm going to also try to look for shapes here. So this is sort of like a half circle. Same thing over here, little half circle. I want them pushing their curves in a very dramatic way so that we can create as many curves and angles as possible. Yes, does that make sense? Awesome. So we're not looking to memorize poses, we're looking at shapes. If you start doing that, the whole world will open up in terms of what you can do with a client. Now, here's something that your clients can do that help a lot with stiffness, because it is a little uncomfortable for them if they don't really know what to do. And sometimes clients, even when given a static pose, might feel a little stiff or uncomfortable. So what I would do is ask them to incorporate movement. That adjustment alone is going to change the game. So remember how I mentioned shampooing? We can bring their hands up into their hair, and all they need to focus on is moving their hands through their hair. Now they've got something to think about. They've got a job. They're like, okay, my job is to shampoo my hair. I can do that. And they're not thinking about what they look like in your camera. They're thinking about this. I also love having people trace down their whole body. That's a really easy one. And just like that, what? Click, 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 click. What, we just got like 4 or 5 photos from them doing a little movement? Great. Another one. Bring your hair up into a ponytail. Let it all fall out of your hair. Boom. Easy. Several shots after that. They can shake their hair. They can pull on wardrobe. So we've got them in their triangle. We've got triangles on the feet, triangles in the arms, and they're moving by bringing their hands up their body, grabbing onto their underwear and pulling up. So think about that as well. If you feel like your client is looking a little stiff, I want you to ask them to move their body, okay? They're gonna feel better and you're gonna get way more shots. So if you can make that adjustment, focus on shapes, and you can ask them to adjust and include a little bit of movement, your standing poses are not gonna look stiff anymore. And you're gonna have so much fun and just like way more opportunity, because sometimes we don't have a bed. Sometimes we don't have a couch. Sometimes we have nothing to work with except maybe a wall. And we can still create a really fantastic photo shoot with just that. Let me know in the comments if you have any advice for standing poses, if there's something you like to do with your clients to make them feel a little more fluid and less stiff. I would love to hear it. And if you are looking for more boudoir or self-love education, you have found the right place, because I have been doing this for 9 years and I like to share what I know with all of you. I put out a new video every single Saturday. I'm really glad that you're here and that you want to learn and explore and play. That's so great. I really appreciate it. Make sure that you like and subscribe so you don't miss any videos in the future. And I will see you all again next Saturday. Remember, your body is a good body, okay? Be nice to it, okay? Bye!